come back here?
Yeah, come back here and talk to me. I got him. Just keep eyes on him. Come on. Yeah. Has he? Okay. I need you to come out my way. I don't want.
The last thing he told me.
Can you debrief him?
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Drop it!
He points at us and again he's getting shot.
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it!
Grab a beanbag.
Get a beanbag. Beanbag up. Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, you're getting shot. I don't want to shoot you. It doesn't have to be this way. Just tell us what we have to do to make you comply.
Step away from the gun or slide the gun away from you so we can approach you and give you first aid.
Not everyone
You wave your hand so you can hear me. We want to give you first aid, but we can't approach because we see that you're armed.
I don't have my gun.
You understand? I need you to step away from the gun so we can approach you and give you first aid. You're going to be bit by a police dog. We fear that you're lying in wait and waiting for us to approach you to harm us. I see you moving. Don't point the gun. Slide the gun over and we can approach you. Can anybody get a see on that side to the right or no?
Hold on.
We can move up a little bit.
I got a good spot right here. I can see him.
Just hang on a second. Hey, you got to slide that gun away so we can approach you.
Still in his right arm.
The gun is still in his right arm?
I believe it's in his right hand right now.